This is Kevin from Reisch Roofing here at 53 Winding in Princeton, New Jersey, doing a repair attempt. This is the shingle we are going to repair. These are the shingles above it. Come. So, hold this. As you can see from the repair attempt, damage was created here, on all the shingles above it. You can see it forming in these corners. Prior to the storm, after the repair, Additionally, the nail holes that were previously used we cannot reuse, which is an added entry point of water, because once we remove the shingles, the nail head will not secure in that spot anymore. Additionally, these shingles will now not be able to reseal as the manufacturer intended, and they were able to seal prior to the storm, and they should be able to seal after the storm. So essentially, to repair this one shingle, it created damage to 4 shingles above it. If you want to do this to the hundreds of shingles on this roof, I think you would cause further damage, compromise the system even more. In my professional opinion, this roof cannot be repaired